Let's talk about the Claude Sonnet 4.5, which got released just yesterday on September 29th, 2025. As you can see, they're claiming 4.5 is the best coding model in the world. It is the strongest model for building complex agents. 4.5 is definitely focused more on the coding side. It runs every application, spreadsheet, or any software which you use today. Along with Sonnet 4.5, they are releasing major upgrades to their other products as well. Like, they have added checkpoints, one of their most requested feature that will basically save your progress and allow you to roll back instantly or to a previous state. It's more like a memory feature which will allow you to go back to a previous state and start doing your operation from that state. Gemini introduced this feature a couple of weeks back. If you are doing programming in Visual Studio Code, there is a good news because they have refreshed their terminal interface and shipped a native VS Code extension. So if you go to your Visual Studio Code and search for Claude Code for VS Code, this is the option that will get. And here you can click on this install button to get this extension installed in your Visual Studio Code. One very exciting feature they have added, and which is all about context editing and memory tool. This feature will allow agents to run even longer and handle greater complexity. In the Claude app, they have introduced the code execution and the file creation, which will allow you to create spreadsheets, slides, documents directly from the conversation. If you are the Max users who joined the waiting list last month, then you are lucky because now you will get the access of Claude for Chrome extensions. They are now sharing with developers the same powerful tools they use to build Claude code. It's called the Claude Agent SDK. Think of it as giving you access to the core infrastructure that drives their most advanced product so you can create, innovate, and unlock full potential for your own project. One very good thing is that pricing remains same as Claude Sonnet 4 at $3 or $15 per million tokens. And it is available right away for you to use. All you need to do, you need to go to Claude AI, and here in the drop down you need to select Sonnet 4.5 because it is available for you to use. Claude Sonnet 4.5 sets a new benchmark on SwiftBench Verified, which tests real-world coding skill. In practice, they are claiming it can stay focused on complex multi-step tasks for over 30 straight hours, which is really amazing. Experts across finance, law, medicine, and STEM have found that Sonnet 4.5 delivers far stronger domain knowledge and reasoning than earlier models, including Opus 4.1. Claude Sonnet 4.5 isn't just their most powerful model, it's also their most aligned one yet. Thanks to improved capabilities and extensive safety training, they have made big strides in reducing issues like flattery, deceptions, power seeking, and even encouraging unrealistic thinking. And when it comes to Claude's agent and computer use feature, they have also strengthened defenses against prompt injection attack, which are some of the most serious risks for users. They have spent over 6 months improving Claude code, which has given real experience in building and designing AI agents. Along the way, they have tackled tough challenges like managing memory for long-running tasks, creating permission system that balances autonomy with user control, and figuring out how multiple sub-agents can work together towards a shared goal. That's how this new Claude Agent SDK is going to help us. The Claude Agent SDK is available to us, and this can help us not just for coding, but we can use that to build our own agents today. And that's a quick introduction of this new Claude Sonnet 4.5. Very soon I'll publish video covering how you can use these features from Claude Sonnet 4.5. If you like this video, please hit the like icon, please subscribe to my channel so that when I'll publish more videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Till then, stay safe, thank you, bye bye.